Imagine a beautiful garden, a serene escape right outside your door, filled with colorful flowers and bright berries, a feast for the eyes. Everything looks peaceful and inviting, a perfect slice of nature's tranquility. But some of these lovely plants are hiding a dangerous secret, lurking beneath the surface. They might look innocent, even charming, but a single bite or touch could make you very sick, or worse, leading to serious health consequences. Many plants in our parks, forests, and backyards, even in our own gardens, carry hidden weapons, invisible toxins, potent chemicals designed to ward off threats, locked inside their leaves, stems, roots, or fruits, waiting for an unsuspecting victim. Why would a plant be dangerous? What purpose does this toxicity serve? Not out of malice, but as a clever form of self-defense, a survival strategy honed over millennia. Their poisons protect them, acting as a natural deterrent from hungry animals and insects, those that would otherwise devour them. It's nature's way of saying, stay away if you know what's good for you. A silent but powerful warning. So, let's peek behind the curtain. Let's unveil the mysteries that lie hidden, of pretty petals and glossy leaves, those seemingly harmless features. We'll explore the world of poisonous plants, a realm of dangerous flora, uncover their secret weapons, and learn why they have them, delving into the science behind their toxicity. Knowing about these plants doesn't make the world scarier. It doesn't need to induce fear, it makes it more interesting and helps us stay safe, allowing us to appreciate nature responsibly. Are you ready to begin this intriguing journey? Are you prepared to uncover the secrets of the plant world? Let's dive in and discover the hidden dangers and wonders of the plant kingdom. Let's explore the diversity and complexity of plant life. Some of the most beautiful plants are also the most perilous, a paradox of nature. It's a strange thought, but it's true. Beauty and danger often coexist in the natural world. Not everything that looks inviting is safe. Appearances can indeed be deceiving. Plants have evolved these defenses over millions of years, adapting to their environments. Their toxins are a silent warning, a subtle signal of danger, a chemical do not touch sign, a natural defense mechanism. By learning about them, we can enjoy nature with curiosity and caution, appreciating its beauty while respecting its power. So next time you see a tempting berry, a seemingly delicious treat, or a stunning flower, a captivating bloom, remember? Looks can be deceiving, and beauty can sometimes mask danger. The plant world is full of surprises, a constant source of wonder and intrigue, some delightful, some dangerous, a fascinating contrast. Let's explore together and learn how to spot the difference, becoming informed and responsible nature enthusiasts. What makes a plant poisonous? It's a question that delves into the intricate world of plant biology and chemistry. It's all about chemistry. The secret lies in the complex molecular structures that plants can create. Plants produce special chemicals called toxins, a natural defense mechanism honed over millennia. Tiny, invisible troublemakers, working at a cellular level. These toxins can cause big problems inside a living body, disrupting vital functions and causing a range of symptoms. Each poisonous plant has its own unique recipe for these chemicals, a specific blend that determines its toxicity. Our bodies run on chemistry too, a delicate balance of reactions that keep us functioning. It's a complex system, with countless reactions keeping us alive and healthy. Plant toxins can disrupt these reactions, interfering with the body's natural processes. They end up jamming the body's systems like a key in the wrong lock, causing malfunctions and health issues. Some toxins attack nerves, disrupting the transmission of signals throughout the body. Others upset the stomach, causing nausea, vomiting, and other digestive problems. And some can even affect the heart, leading to irregular heartbeats or even cardiac arrest. The way a poison works depends on its chemical structure, the specific arrangement of atoms within the molecule. It also depends on how it interacts with our cells and the specific pathways it affects. Not all plant chemicals are bad. In fact, many are incredibly beneficial to us. Many are helpful, like vitamins in fruits and vegetables, providing essential nutrients for our bodies. But the ones we call poisons are specifically harmful because of their unique makeup and potent effects. These toxins evolved to protect plants from being eaten, a defense against herbivores. It's a silent, ongoing battle in nature, a constant struggle for survival in the plant kingdom. Remember, the same chemistry that makes plants dangerous can also be a source of healing. It can also make them useful, if we know how to handle them with care and precision. Understanding plant toxins is crucial for both our safety and for unlocking their potential benefits. It helps us respect their power and avoid their dangers. ensuring we can coexist safely with these fascinating organisms. The natural world is full of chemical surprises, both beneficial and potentially harmful. Let's learn how to spot the risky ones, so we can appreciate nature's beauty without putting ourselves in harm's way. Why do plants make poisons? Because they can't run or hide from danger. Plants are rooted in place, so they need another way to protect themselves. Over millions of years, many have developed toxins as a form of self-defense. These chemicals make the plant taste bad or make animals sick, teaching them to stay away. It's a clever survival strategy, a natural do-not-eat label. Some plants are only mildly poisonous, while others are deadly even in small amounts. Toxins also defend against insects and fungi, not just big animals. It's a constant, silent war in the plant world. Plants use their poisons as invisible shields and swords. Their chemical defenses are a fascinating part of nature's design. By understanding them, we can appreciate how plants survive and thrive. The next time you see a plant, remember, it might be fighting a battle you can't see. Knowledge is our best defense. Meet deadly nightshade, or Atropa belladonna, a plant with a dark reputation. It grows in shady places with dull purple flowers and shiny, tempting black berries. The name belladonna means beautiful woman, once used in risky beauty treatments to dilate pupils. The poison, atropine, interferes with the nervous system, causing dry mouth, confusion, and even heart failure. Just a few berries can be fatal, especially to children. Throughout history, deadly nightshade has been linked to witchcraft and dark magic. Its mind-altering effects inspired many legends. This plant commands respect. Its beauty hides a deadly secret. It's a classic example of how appearances can deceive. Always be cautious around unfamiliar berries, no matter how inviting they look. Deadly Nightshade's story is a warning: not everything beautiful is safe. Its chemistry is powerful and dangerous. Admire from a distance and stay safe. Hemlock, or Conium maculatum, is a master of disguise, often mistaken for harmless plants like parsley or wild carrot. It has feathery leaves and umbrella-shaped clusters of white flowers growing in damp places. The main poison, conin, attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis that creeps upward until breathing stops. The mind can remain clear while the body shuts down. A chilling effect. Hemlock's most famous victim was Socrates, who was executed by drinking its poison. Its stem often has purple spots, bloody fingerprints, and a nasty, mousy odor when crushed. Learning to spot these clues can be life-saving. Hemlock is a stark warning. Always be sure of a plant's identity before tasting or touching. Its innocent appearance hides lethal power. Even a small mistake can have serious consequences. Respect the warning signs nature provides. Knowledge and caution are your best protection. Don't let looks fool you. Hemlock is deadly. The castor bean plant, a seemingly harmless addition to any garden, Ricinus communis, innocently holds one of the world's most potent poisons within its seeds: ricin. It's a stark reminder that beauty can sometimes conceal danger. Its tall, striking appearance, with broad leaves and vibrant colors, and beautifully patterned beans, are incredibly deceptive, masking the deadly secret they hold. Ricin works by stopping your cells from making proteins. Just a tiny amount, even a few milligrams, can be fatal if ingested. However, castor oil, made from the same beans, is perfectly safe because the ricin is carefully removed and deactivated during the extensive processing. This shows just how complex and multifaceted plants can be, deadly and useful, depending entirely on how they're handled and processed. The beans themselves, in their raw form, remain a serious hazard, especially to children, who might be tempted to play with them. Now let's meet poison ivy, a plant infamous for its intensely itchy revenge. The real culprit behind the misery is urushiol, an oily chemical compound that causes an intensely itchy, blistering rash upon skin contact. Leaves of 3, let it be, is a simple rhyme that's definitely worth remembering and living by. The vast majority of people are allergic to urushiol to some degree, making poison ivy a plant to actively avoid at all costs, especially when enjoying the outdoors. Some plants don't kill, but they can certainly make you incredibly miserable and uncomfortable. Whether it's a deadly toxin lurking within or an intensely itchy rash waiting to happen, the underlying lesson remains the same. Always know exactly what you're touching and handling. The plant world is truly full of surprises and hidden dangers. Some are incredibly beautiful and inviting, while others are simply bothersome and best left alone. Stay alert, be observant, and you'll significantly increase your chances of staying safe. Always respect the potential power and hidden dangers of even the smallest plant. Poisonous plants have shaped human history through accidents, mysteries, and even deliberate acts. Long ago, people learned which plants to avoid through harsh trial and error. Ancient cultures used plant poisons for hunting, warfare, and sometimes execution. The story of Socrates and hemlock is just one famous example. Legends like the shrieking mandrake root or deadly mushrooms show how deeply these plants are woven into folklore. These stories remind us that the natural world demands respect and understanding. Knowledge about dangerous plants was passed down for survival. Every old tale about a toxic plant carries a warning from the past. By learning these lessons, we protect ourselves and others. The line between healing and harm is thin. Wisdom is key. The stories of poisonous plants are a testament to human curiosity and caution. How do we stay safe around dangerous plants? The golden rule: never eat or touch a plant unless you're absolutely sure it's safe. When in doubt, leave it out can save you from a lot of trouble. Learn to identify common poisonous plants using field guides, websites, or by asking experts. Pay attention to details: leaf shape, flower color, fruit type, and where the plant grows. If someone eats or touches a poisonous plant, don't panic. Act quickly. Try to identify the plant and get help immediately from an adult or poison control center. Don't try home remedies unless advised by a professional. Warning signs in parks and gardens are there for your protection. Heed them. Plants aren't out to get us. They're just defending themselves. By respecting their space and learning about them, we can enjoy nature safely. Knowledge is your best defense. Explore with curiosity, but always with caution. The more you know, the safer you'll be. Some plants are armed with potent chemical weapons, but they're not evil. They're survivors. Their poisons are natural defenses, honed by evolution. Many poisonous plants are also sources of powerful medicines, like digitalis from foxglove for heart conditions. The key is respect and understanding. Admire their beauty from a safe distance and learn their stories. Botanical gardens let us study these plants safely. The plant world is full of wonders and hidden dangers. With knowledge and respect, we can navigate it safely. Poisonous plants are reminders of nature's complexity and our need to stay curious and cautious. Even the most dangerous plants have a place in the grand tapestry of life. Let's appreciate their power and stay safe as we explore.